So we are going to solve this question in this video, and if you look at it in our previous lesson, we have already expressed root of 75, root of 125 or so on. And also the way we expressed before is the same way we're going to also express this. So now, how can we solve? We have 9 square root of, we have to think of two numbers we can multiply to have what? 20, which is 4 times what? 5. 4 times 5. As you can see, 4 is a perfect square, right? Is 4 multiplied by 5 plus 7 square root of 75 is what? 25 times 3. 25 times 3, which is 25 times 3 minus 4 root of 125. It's end with what? 5. You can decide to express it by dividing it by 5. Of course, this can also go again. Let's see. Okay, let's use 5. 5 multiplied by 12 divided by 5, 2. Remember what? 2. Put it at the back of this one, make it what? 25. 25 divided by 5. Right? Now, plus 11 square root of 150 is same thing as what? 5 can go a bit. We have 5 multiplied by 15 divided by 5, 3. Then what? 0. Is 5 times what? 30. So now, all over square root of 2. Now we now have 9 times square root of 4, 2. Root what? 5 plus 7 times square root of 25, 5. Root what? 3 minus 4 times square root of 25, 5. Root what? 5 plus, this one we don't have perfect square. You have to continue expressing it. We have 11 square root of, this 30 can be reduced by 5 again. Which means we have 5 times 5 times 5 times 6, what 5 times 6 is 30. All over square root of 2. Can I proceed? Now, 9 times 2 is what? 18 root of what? 5 plus 7 times 5, 35 root of 3 minus 4 times 5, 20 root of 5 plus 11 square root of 5 times 5, 25 times 6. Have it? All over square root of 2. Then I'll proceed from here. I now have 18 root of 5 plus 35 root of 3 minus 20 root of 3, okay, root of 5. Then plus 11 times square root of 25, 5. Root of what? 6. All over root of 2. So we now have 18 root of 5 plus 35 root of 3 minus 20 root of 5 plus 11 times 5, 55 root of 6. All over what? Root 2. Now, you have to check the numerator, which one that have the same root. This is root 5, this is another root 5. We put it together. This is 18. The coefficient of this one is 18, while the coefficient of this one is minus 20. 18 minus 20, we have minus 2. Which means we have minus 2 root of 5. I'm done with root 5. This one is root 6. It's not the same. You have to write it the way it is. Which means we have plus 35 root what? 3 plus 55 root what? 6 all over root what? 2. Now the next step is to rationalize because there's root at the denominator. Like I've said before, you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by what? Root 2 and what? Root 2. You get it? So which means that at the what? Numerator, all the roots must be multiplied by 2. What is inside root here? 5 times 2, 3 times 2, 6 times 2. You get it? So now we now have minus 2, 5 times 2, 10, plus 35, 3 times 2, 3 times 2 is what? 6, plus 55, 6 times 2, 12. Abi?
Yes, sir.
All over root 2 times root 2, root what? 4. Do you get it?
Yes, sir.
So now, we have perfect square for square root of 4 times 3. You have to express it again. We now have minus 2 root what? 10 plus 35 root what? 6 plus 55 root 4 times 3 all over 2. I think the square root of 4 is what? 2. Now, can I use this side?
Yes, sir.
So, we now have minus 2 root what? 10 plus 35 root 6 plus 55 times square root of 4. 4 is what? 2. 2 times 55 have 110. I mean, root what? 3. All over what? 2. Do you get it? Now, everything is divided by 2. You have to check. This one can be divided by 2. 2 can be divided by 2. Perfect, right? 35 can never be divided by 2 because they are similar, which means you cannot use this 2 to divide everyone, each member of this. So, which means that we are going to have our final answer to be minus square root of 2 root 10 plus 35 root what? 6 plus 110 root what? 3 all over what? 2. This will be our final answer. Thank you and peace out.